I've got to see if I saved the receipt for that umbrella.
Yeah? Or we'll see if it, watch it, you got Henry right behind you there. Yeah, I'm taking a video of the famous swimming Westie.
I think I should throw the ball here.
Go ahead. Throw the ball. Just grab it. Toss it out there so Henry can run and get it.
Oh, he can try to get it.
Go ahead, throw it out there. You're not going to get the ball, Henry? Good job, Jesse.
Every time my ears go underwater, they're like flip, flip, flip.
You going to go swimming, Henry? Go ahead. Grab the ball. Oh, look at it. Right in. Good job, Henry. Henry's got sporting his float coat today. His CFD canine flotation device by Roughwear. Let's show him how it works, okay? Jessica, throw the ball out there for Henry to get it. Get it, Henry. Get that ball. Go get it. Good job. All right, come back here now. Good boy, Henry. All right, Jesse's getting in her shot here. This isn't about little girl swimwear. It's about Westies. All right, let's try one more time. Throw it out there for Henry. Get it, Henry. All right, there he goes. Now don't get in the shot now. Let him come in here. Good job, Henry. Good boy.